When you see companies evolve their products, you have to ask why, right? Did a group of marketing people sit down at a bar with a martini and draw some design on a napkin and then hand it to an engineer who can certainly make it on a 5-axis milling machine and you instantly have a new implant? Or did somebody sit down and think about the biological or biomechanical principles that direct the thoughts behind and the design of a dental implant? I'm of the persuasion that it's the latter that's important, that implant design evolves from principles. And the principles we see in several different implants evolve around how the body responds to the trauma of surgery and forming new bone around the implant, how the body responds to the second phase of healing and the consolidation of bone around the implant, how that bone is modeled or remodeled during the loading of that implant, and then how the implant fares in the really very, shall we say, difficult environment of the oral cavity. Does it stand up for many years? And we ask the questions based on prospective clinical trials, be they cohort studies or perhaps retrospective studies, or even the so-called gold standard of a prospective comparative clinical trial, that data informing us as to whether we've made the right decisions based on the principles that we believe in. So for me, it's very important. Find an implant system or systems where principles have driven design, data's demonstrated the principles are correct, and that the design meets the goals designated by those principles. It's really simple. Go with data.